Let's be honest. Most people hear the word stocks and immediately think, it's complicated, it's risky, it's not for me. But what if I told you you already understand stocks? You just don't realize it yet. Meet Peter. Peter is a penguin, and today, Peter is hungry. So he walks into a small burger shop. It's busy. People are lining up. The owner is making money. A lot of money. Peter thinks, this place is doing great. Then he has an idea. What if I own this shop? But there's a problem. The shop costs $10,000, and Peter only has $1,000. So he walks away, just like most people do. But this is where things get interesting. Because in the real world, Peter doesn't need to buy the whole shop. He can just buy a small piece of it. This is exactly what a stock is. A stock is simply a small piece of a business. That's it. Nothing complicated. Let's go back. Instead of buying the entire burger shop, Peter buys 10% of it. Now something changes. Every time the shop makes money, Peter makes money. Not because he's working there, but because he owns a part of it. That's how stocks work. You're not trading numbers on a screen. You're owning real businesses. Companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla. When you buy their stock, you own a tiny piece of them. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Let's say the burger shop becomes famous. More customers, more sales, more profit. What happens to Peter's 10%? It becomes more valuable. So if Peter wants, he can sell his share for more money. That's how people make money in stocks. But there's another side. What if the shop starts losing customers? Bad reviews, less sales. Now the business is worth less. And so is Peter's share. This is why people say stocks are risky. Because businesses can go up and they can go down. But here's the truth most people miss. The biggest companies in the world grow over time, not overnight. Over years, even decades. Which means stocks aren't about quick money. They're about patience. Let's go back to Peter one last time. Peter now understands something powerful. Instead of just working for money, he can own things that make money. So he starts small. He buys small pieces of different businesses, month after month, year after year. And slowly, something changes. His money starts working for him, not the other way around. And that's the real meaning of stocks. It's not gambling. It's not guessing. It's ownership. So next time you hear the word stocks, don't think of charts or numbers. Think of Peter, owning a small piece of a burger shop. Because once you understand that, you're already ahead of most people. The question is, will you stay just a customer, or will you start becoming an owner?